Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a few things that we're doing here down in Fort Myers, Florida. I'm serving with Samaritans Purse here, as you can tell. I got a team down here with my church that we are gutting homes and fixing up everything that we can help with. So I want to show you a few things that we're doing and a little bit about Samaritans Purse.
So here at this project, we're helping a family that has extensive damage in their home from the hurricane. So we're helping them prepare for a build back by removing glue and nails from their studs, also removing insulation and anything that will hinder the building process. After we've removed everything that we can, then we come in and spray and kill all the mold so they can be ready to make this place a home again. Another project we worked on was a widow's house whose yard and shed were messed up from the storm. So we were able to help get the yard back in order, and we also helped with a few things around the house where we could put some of our DIY skills to work. In Fort Myers, there is still a lot of work that needs to be done. There are still boats piled up together and even boats in trees near the coast. Hurricane Ian was very destructive, and there is more work than manpower available. There are entire communities who still do not have running water or even power. Like I mentioned, we served with Samaritans Purse while down there. They are a great organization that serves in multiple ways all around the world. They are some of the first organizations in an area after natural disasters. They begin by serving people who need help by gutting or fixing up their houses, and then also share the good news of Jesus and then present them with the Bible as well. If you're interested in serving with Samaritans Purse, then I'll put a link in the description for their organization. And even if you aren't able to serve, you can still give to help out the cause. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.